All right. Um, we've got a very exciting article, news for funding coming out of Sweden. So the article reads as follows, and this is actually coming from one of the two venture capital firms that invested into the startup. So the title of the article is Nordluft takes in new capital from Södra Ädla AB in Sweden and EIT InnoEnergy Netherlands for precision spreading in forestry. The Swedish startup Nordluft advances sustainable forest management with its innovative drone technology, which offers a unique solution for forest fertilization and the spreading of bioash within the forestry sector. This technology not only enhances efficiency, flexibility, and precision, but also holds the potential for substantial cost reductions. Looking ahead, the technology promises significant opportunities in agriculture as well. To further this advancement, Nordluft is currently securing new financing from Södra Ädla and EIT InnoEnergy. New capital taking Nordluft's solution closer to commercialization. Nordluft has previously demonstrated the viability of its concept through various prototypes is now raising additional capital to continue its journey towards a fully market-ready product. This funding will support the acquisition of necessary flight permits and facilitate the commercialization of their technology to a larger market, particularly targeting the Nordic forestry sector. The latest investment round is led by Södra's subsidiary Södra Ädla and EIT InnoEnergy, which has been supporting the company since 2018. Södra is Sweden's largest forest owners association and an international forest industry group where operations are based on the processing of members' forest raw material. Olof Winroth, founder and CEO of Nordluft, says, "The use of drones is widespread in many areas within our society. Yet, their potential in more tangible tasks within forestry and agricultural applications remains largely untapped. This is the gap our solution addresses. Drone-based deployment allows for access to any terrain regardless of soil bearing capacity. Moreover, we anticipate that our technology could significantly reduce spreading costs in the long term by more than 50% compared to current methods." Further commenting on the investments, he adds, "We are thrilled that Södra, Sweden's largest forest owners association, has shown such strong confidence in Nordluft's concept by choosing to invest through its subsidiary Södra Ädla. Södra's extensive network of forest owners and industry connections significantly strengthens our market position. We are also proud and grateful to receive continued support from the leading investor in sustainable energy, EIT InnoEnergy, whose vast network can help us reach markets across Europe and beyond." Significant benefits in drone-based ash spreading for forest management. Until now, effective drone solutions for fertilizing or returning bioash to the forest soil have been lacking. Traditionally, the sector has relied on helicopters, tractors, or converted forestry machines for spreading both fertilizers and ash, which incurs high costs in terms of machinery, personnel, and transport, while resulting in less precision. Drone-based solutions, however, enhances the ability to spread ashes over even small areas without harming the forest. It offers access to any terrain regardless of the soil's bearing capacity and eliminates the need for constructing access roads. Eric Bengtsson, investment manager at Södra Ädla, says, "Increased ash recycling helps maintain the nutrient balance in forests post-thinning and facilitates enhanced carbon sequestration and forest growth, potentially increasing by 10 to 20% on lands with a good nitrogen balance. This investment represents another step towards smarter and more circular forestry." Sarja Hjortmar, investment manager at EIT InnoEnergy Scandinavia, comments, "Nordluft has demonstrated significant progress since our initial support. We are excited to reaffirm our commitment to Nordluft and continue backing their journey towards commercialization. Their innovative product holds substantial promise in both the forestry and energy sectors. Besides, with Södra potentially becoming a key future client for Nordluft, we are delighted to welcome them as a new investor and strategic partner." About Nordluft's high-capacity drone-based spreading systems. Nordluft's innovative solution includes a fleet of autonomously operating drones, a proprietary control system, and a base station housed in a converted truck that provides ample cargo space for efficient logistics. The drones, loaded with bioash, fertilizer, or other materials from the truck, deploy in groups to distribute their loads over the surrounding areas. This system offers several advantages over existing methods. It reduces the need for multiple vehicles and operators, making it especially cost-efficient for owners of smaller forest plots. The drones can precisely target very small areas, even individual trees, and adjust the quantity of material spread based on specific environmental conditions, i.e. extra dry or wet areas. Besides forestry application, there is a large potential to enhance productivity and decrease the reliance on chemical inputs in agriculture. End of article. So this was quite an interesting find, and I think that you can see that for the two investors, of course, one, the interests are fully aligned in Sweden, the Forestry Management Association itself. So all the shareholders and technically stakeholders are aligned in getting and maximizing the efficiencies that the drones offer versus creating roads and more man hours. So you could have one single vehicle that gets within the region and then begins to basically spray up to individual trees. So it's quite innovative, and some of it's proprietary, as mentioned in the article. And then the other investor is technically Dutch-based, but they have a Scandinavian branch. And so this press release, just from a few weeks back, is really covers all the bases. And hopefully, although they did not disclose the quantity of the investment or the ongoing follow-on investments, because it seems one of the two investors has already been with them since 2018, the Dutch one. But certainly good to know that this is a proof of concept, and certainly from an investment point of view, if there can be a proof of the sort of MVP, if you will, and again, the proof of concept of this drone technology, then it will create sort of a foothold and create a case study to build out from, certainly in Scandinavia for forestry, and then maybe expand to other industries related to agriculture, hopefully, or aquaculture. So with that being said, quite an interesting read and a great news story overall for this successful agritech startup.